Uh-huh, honey.
DayJaMona, DayJaMona, DayJaMona. Hey. Guys, it's DayJaMona. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm pretty sure I have chocolate on my lip. So this is the first time you guys are seeing me in this vlog, and I am in Bali. And so I got in yesterday around 3 o'clock, and it's now the next day about 3 o'clock. So I've been here for exactly 1 day now. And yesterday wasn't too much. Like, I gave y'all some scenery. I came in the house, immediately showered, and pretty much just chilled for the rest of the evening. I didn't even go out to eat anything. I just stayed in the house. So, oh, and I took out my twists. So they're looking a little rough. This twist out is a little salty. But yeah, so today I just went to the mall, as you guys saw, and I'm finding random twists to keep taking out. But I went to the mall, as you guys saw, and just picked up some bubble bath and some nail polish, because nail polish does not ship overseas. So I thought that was a great time. I actually got to pick out nail polish from the OPI store, which was nice. And yeah, so now I'm back at the villa. So make sure you follow my Instagram, because IG gets all the sneak peeks, as well as Snapchat. So make sure you're following me on those social media platforms. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill out until my Balinese massage, which is at 6. So I'm getting picked up for that. I'm just gonna relax and chill out until then. So hopefully I can bring you guys along for that. I mean, obviously, y'all know I get a massage everywhere I go. But anyways, I'll see y'all in a sec. On another note, know the currency that you're working with when you get to another country, because I caught a Gojek, which is a very well-known Indonesian taxi app, and you can pay in cash. So since I caught a moped, it was only 9,000 rupee. I gave this man 100,000 rupee and he said, I have no change. And I was just like, okay, it's okay, whatever. Like, now I'm looking back at it and I'm like, yo, I definitely could have gave him like the 200 that I had.
Nope.
Or the anything lower. Like, I had lower bills that I definitely could have given him. I think I even did I have 10,000 at that time? No, I didn't. But yeah, so I definitely just paid that guy like 9 times over, like what the actual cost was. Which, when you do the conversion to US dollars, 100,000 rupee is like $7. So I'm not mad, but when you think about what it should have cost, which was 68 cents, yeah, lesson learned. Just know your currency. That's wild. But yeah. Okay, so I'm on my way to the spa. I got picked up in the spa transport. And so the driver said it's 20 minutes away. So let's take this trip. And I'm using the GoPro. So let me know if you guys can tell the difference between this camera or this clip and the last clip. I think it's wider, so you should definitely be able to tell a difference in what you see and the quality of audio.